In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export a specific part of a video in Premiere Pro. So if you've got your video in Premiere Pro and you want to just export a very specific part in the middle, you can do that very easily. And we're going to be using this blue cursor. It's going to come in handy, right? Now you need to move this cursor to the start of your clip. This is going to be the start of the clip that you want to export. So you can use the arrow keys to get this very precise. I'm going to start the clip here. Now once you've got your cursor lined up, this blue line, click I on the keyboard and that will mark a start point. And you can also snap this to the clip as well if you've got snapping turned on, which you should be able to find here, snap in timeline. Make sure this is highlighted. Then go near the end of the clip, click O on the keyboard and that's going to create an out point. And again, you can drag this to be very precise on the end of the clip. Once you've got that highlighted, you can then go File, in the top left, Export, Media. You can then enter in your details and your format. So I'll call this example split and we'll go ahead and export this. Now we've done that, we can go ahead and preview the file. So here is that file. As you can see, it is just the bit that we selected and that is all you have to do.